How are you doing today? Are you looking to make money online? Well, I have something for you that you might be interested in. All I need you to do is check down in the description below and click on the link below, and it will tell you about several different sites that I'm dealing with right now that can get you paid starting today. And some of them are no cost, no investment, and all of them pay directly to your PayPal account. So if you're interested in getting paid $100, $200 a day, check out the description down below and check out the website, and it will connect you to proven sources of income, online income, that I'm doing myself right now. And feel free to check out any of the other links below. And something that you might be interested in, it's like I say, I only advertise stuff that's proven to work or that's already paid out before straight to my PayPal account, and ways to save, as well as other methods of making money like CPA marketing and all of that. Like, there's something for everyone in the description below, and feel free to check it out. It's definitely ways to make money online, and like I say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we will definitely be in touch. See you at the top.